Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to discuss about the concept of logarithmic axis or log axis. This logarithmic concept is very useful to change the axis values. In this tab, we can find some sales data from the year of 2011 to 2020. So by using this data, I created a column chart. Here we can find abnormal fluctuations in quantity data. Because of that, nominal values are not displaying on the chart. So if abnormal variation happened between min value and max value of the chart data, we will use log axis concept for better visualization. Now let us see how to create log axis. Now I am selecting the vertical axis. Right click, click on format axis. Under the axis options, we can find minimum and maximum value of the vertical axis. If user mentioned 1000 as min value, now all the points which consists of value less than 1000 not appearing on the chart. Now I am mentioning a 0. Here we can find one checkbox with the description of logarithmic scale. Now I am enabling the checkbox. Here we can find the base value. This is the default value. When I place the cursor, it returning the description as enter a number from 2 to 1000. So now I am changing the base value as 2. Here we can find application mentioned all the values in terms of 2. Thereafter I am changing the value as 5. So we can find all the multiples of 5 here. Now I am replacing with 10. In this way, we can get the better visualization by using log axis. Hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.